Hi and welcome to another video from AI Sciences. In this video, we will discuss the role of AI in stocks. So a stock market is a platform for trading of a company's stocks and derivatives at an agreed price. With the development of stock market, people are interested in forecasting stock price, but due to the dynamic nature and being liable to quick changes in stock market, predictions of the stock price becomes a challenging task. As the technology is increasing, stock traders are moving towards using AI, which helps them to make immediate investment decisions. So, AI and deep learning is being on the news every day for stocks and trading, and power AI tools are there that are predicting the prices of stocks with so much precision and accuracy. There are basically three conventional approaches for stock price prediction. First one is technical analysis, next one traditional time series forecasting, and the last one machine learning model. Earlier, classical regression methods such as linear regression, polynomial regression, etc. were used to predict stock trends. Also, traditional statistical models which include exponential smoothing, moving average makes their prediction linearly, just like linear progressions. Nowadays, support vector machines SVM and artificial neural networks ANN are widely used for prediction of stock prices and its movement. Every algorithm has its way of learning patterns and then predicting. Artificial neural network ANN is a popular method which also incorporates technical analysis for making predictions in the stock market. Most common techniques used in the forecasting of financial time series are SVM support vector machine, SVR support vector regression, and back progression neural network BPNN. All these algorithms are quite popular, quite famous, quite robust, and they provide a very detailed insight of the stock prices. Each one of these has its own plus points and drawbacks, but overall they provide concrete predictions for the stock market. As a generic overview of these algorithms, we can say that all these algorithms are actually taking in the previous stocks data, when the stocks went up, when the stocks went down, and under which circumstances they are changing. They take all of this data inside them. After getting all the input data, these algorithms train themselves with the data for prediction of and they actually take this data and then they train themselves to predict that, okay, if a new data kicks in, if the new data comes in, then based on this previous data, how we can predict that, okay, at this point this is the status of the stock, this is the status of the market, these are the circumstances, and they are matching with this scenario in our previous data set, and they can actually predict that, okay, the stock prices will go up or low accordingly. Now, before winding up this video, let's just see how actually AI algorithms show the data to the real world and how we can compare it with the actual stats to compare the model's accuracy. So here you can see that this purple line indicates the actual prices of the stock. This blue line indicates the predicted prices that is being predicted by AI. Over here green indicates the buying point, and over here red indicates the selling point. Now you can see that here this purple line is going up and down, and you can see that where the red dot is there, the prices are high, and where the green dot are there, the prices are low, and we are just buying it. Just observe that how this blue line is actually going along with all these transformations, all these ups and lows with so much precision. And then afterwards, if you just stop getting the data and I want this blue line to run forward, I can actually make it run forward based on the new coming data, and make it decide on the previous data. And then I can predict that, okay, this point I can sell it, this point I can buy it, and based on that the stock investors can make a huge profit. So this is pretty much it from this video. I hope you grab the idea of how powerful AI is and how vital the role of AI is playing in stocks. But still, if you have any question, please feel free to let us know in the comment section and we will get back to you on that as soon as possible. So I will see you in the next video.